I remember once someone asked me, he said, Sayyid, this wudu was good in the past when people lived in deserts and they were always dirty. These days we're clean, we take showers. I just took a shower. Why do I need to do wudu? I'm pure. Well, one of the objectives of wudu is to keep you physically pure by washing your face, your hands. These are the areas that you usually use and you come into contact with, right? So, yes, one of the reasons why Allah wants us to do wudu is to physically purify ourselves. But that's not the main objective here. There's a more important objective, which is the purity of the soul. Allah has made a connection between wudu and the spirit. Whenever you do this physical act, the spirit itself enters a clean state, enters a purified state that allows you to worship Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So even if you've just taken a shower, you're clean, yet you need that spiritual purity, which can only come from wudu, which is an act of ibadah and an act of worship.